to my behind the scenes tour. So we're here in my studio, and I wanted to show you how things were set up, just in a very small space, but they work out extremely well, and I'm very happy with the end result. So a couple of the things that I have set up here. Right in front of me here, you see my ZV-1 setup. I've got a Padcaster teleprompter hooked up through a special bracket so it doesn't hang on the lens of the ZV-1. I've got a video for that in my YouTube channel. Also, I've got some brackets over here to hold my Rode microphone over here, my Rode Video Micro. I do have a 49-inch ultra-wide monitor from Samsung, and this 4K TV over here both get plugged into an external GPU unit that I have on a clamp that was meant for desktops, to hang the desktops under the desk so it doesn't take up any space. I am using a MacBook Pro 16-inch. I have here an external hard drive. When I'm done editing my movies, I'll move it over to the external hard drive, and then later on I'll archive it. And this right here is from Home Depot. It's a Husky 72-inch workbench that does go up and down with a crank. So it fits my needs perfectly. I can work standing, I can pull in my chair and work sitting. It works great for me. So all in all, this has been a great setup. I do have these foam pieces. These are styrofoam pieces that came with the desk as packing material. I nailed them onto the wall and painted them the same paint color as the wall. Behind me here, you have just some shelves I got at Ikea where I display some of my ready-to-go camera equipment. I've got the tripods, my Beats headset, my Yeti microphone, which is my backup microphone. I switched to the Rode Video Micro shortly after using the Blue Yeti for a little while. It works great, but unfortunately it picks up some buzzing noise from all the cables I have wire managed behind the monitor here. Here I have my Weeble gimbal over here, my Weeble S. I just got that one. I'm very happy with it so far. I'm still experimenting with it, and maybe I'll record some nice B-roll for you guys and post it up so you guys can see how it works out. I do have a light from Ikea here just to provide some practical lighting in the background. So another feature I have in this office space is this softbox that I got here. I received this from Mountdog. I did a review on the other Mountdog softbox I received that I'm using to light the background over here that you can't see. But this is a different Mountdog that they sent me. This has a corncob light on it. And I'm going to show you really quickly. I have this monitor, or this 4K TV that I'm using as a monitor, mounted to the wall here. And I've got that softbox clamped or tie wrapped to the actual base of the stand, the monitor stand. Works out really well for me. The only thing with these corncob lights that I found is these particular ones are not dimmable. So they're extremely bright. As a matter of fact, too bright. So I took some of the material I used for that, creating a cheap softbox video that I put up. It's actually a tablecloth from the dollar store. I cut up a piece of it and inserted it inside the diffuser material just to get it a little dimmer so that I'm able to shoot videos from here without too much light on me. The other thing that I'll show you is I have two colored light bulbs shining on this back wall over here, so that when you see my videos, you'll see there's a blue hue. Well, that's created through two of these light bulbs up on the ceiling that I have pointed down. They're like color LED floodlights that point on this wall that are blue. I also have this LED light that I received that's on the floor there. I have two of those that also shine on this wall. All of this stuff here is all set up so that I can come in, either work my day job or record some videos and I don't have to change a thing. Everything is set. All I have to do is hit record on my ZV-1 and I'm good to go. So that was a really quick tour. I'll put in the description down below the links to everything in my studio office. So thank you for coming, and I'll look forward to seeing you in the next video.